Alone but not afraid. The forest is silent, yet it is alive. Every step I take, something watches and something whispers. I'm not just walking into the trees and vines. I'm walking into something unknown. No guide, no noise, no crowd. Just me, the wild, and a mission to find what this beautiful nature hides. Some people come for the view, but I come from the challenge. Deep in this green maze, there is a beautiful, beautiful nature path. Beautiful one. And that's exactly where I am, with the courage that is with me. To conquer and subdue everything, to just feel the nature and embrace it. Yes.
Finally, this is how I spend my afternoon. Just look at this place. Hebu show them. Onyeshe tu vile kunakaa vizuri. Let's see. So this is my naweza itaje. Like this is where like napenda to spend sana most of my time. Then I brought with me this book. It's called The Call of the Wild. You see, okay, tuko in the wild, so come on. I mean, of course I'm going to read this book, and with me pia I have some water and it's pretty dehydrated sana. So I think I'm going to show you around. Niwaonyeshe huku hivi ndani. We have niwapeleke pia. Okay, mtajionea. So make sure unakaa kwa hii video hadi iishe. Okay guys?
From the wild rush of the forest to the quiet rustle of the pages, now I read. Out here, the forest is my library, and the birds sing the background music. I can hear them chatter and chatter. In the world of full noise, this moment is just me, a book, and some pure peace. And this is how I travel two worlds at once, one through the trees and one through the word. And they are not just words, they are words of patience. Patience.
Can see the nature? Oh, nimepatana na kitu hapa, mushroom. Kuna hii and there is this one guys. Do you eat this thing? Like sijui nifanya hivi. Mnaangalia kai iko na wadudu huku ndani, like you do, like you are perusing the papers like this. But I guess here forest huko inakuanga healthy juu hakuna bacteria imepatana nayo compared na ya huko home iko na vitu mingi. Sasa shongo alikuwa anatupikia hii na ugali na inakuwa ndo breakfast ama supper. And let me tell you guys, it was best delicious food. The best dish shoshonge nipikia ilikuwa mushroom na ugali. Yeah, let's continue with the kwa scary. Mnyamaza, hakuna any movement. So we mwenyewe ndo unasikia footsteps zako. We naeka. Angalia tu hadi juu. Huko hadi kukinyesha we. But naona huko kuna watu wengine. So sijui pia wanataka nini. But let's hope guys hakutakuwa na ubaya. I like the breeze. I like the nature. Ni kwenu ushago. Niko na kafare. Maybe kana hapo hivyo home. Ama ile tu. Generally hiyo ni forest ya kila mtu leo. Tulikuwa tunaambiwa na shosh. Niha. So rest in peace. Alikuwa anaitwa Wangeshi. Alikuwa anatuambia muende huko kwa forest ndani. Mtafute hizi kuni. It was not easy guys as you may think. It's been a while, years and years kitambo niende kwa forest. But my friend leo akani-invite kwa. And we have a walk. Tuone vile kunaka. Lakini kuko different na kwetu. Kwetu like kuko kuna katakatu wa miti. Can see this forest. like pale hivyo tu nikaa mtu ametoka tu kukata juzi. Kwetu hapana. Forest yetu ni ile pale hivyo karibu na Mau Mau Road. Hapo hivyo.
Kuko creepy sana. And we are the only ones around.
Like hakuna mtu mwingine. Look guys. See, hakuna. Alafu kitu nimeona huko kwa hii forest hakuna wild animals. So at least hapo tuko na hope, hakuna kitu mbaya itatufanyikia.
Hii place kuna tu ile vibe fulani. Hii place probably there kwenda hike. If you want to come and be on this place, talk to me very well. I'll give you a tour.
Very nice tour. So acha tupite huko.
Forest also teaches patience, and the words also teaches patience as they take you deeper and deeper if you let them. I don't just read books. I observe stories right here where the stories began, and it is in nature. In nature we find peace, we find a lot. Maybe the best classroom doesn't have walls. It has winds, trees, and silence, and some peace. And remember, knowledge doesn't only live in books. It breathes out here in the wind where this nature is. And that's it. And that's it, guys. I really enjoyed this. So just enjoy. I just want you to enjoy the rest of the video. It's so beautiful, very cinematic, very entertaining. Everything is just perfect. If you enjoyed this vlog, make sure you subscribe, you comment, you like, and you also share, guys. Subscribe guys, and support your girl. So that's it for me. Bye guys, I love you so much.